Today I'm going to replace the reverse lights on a 2020 Toyota RAV4 from the factory halogen lights to LEDs. These are LASFIT T15 bulbs, and they are LEDs, and they're going to make these a whole lot brighter, which will make visibility when you're backing up that much better. It shouldn't be a hard install. You should only need maybe a screwdriver and your car keys. But we'll get started on this. Once you have your trunk open, this is going to be the spot you're looking for. It's this little cutout right here, and that is the access to your reverse light bulbs. There's going to be two almost little boxes there, and they have a little spot that you can fit your screwdriver in. You'll take your screwdriver, just start popping it open. Pops off. Pull it off the rest of the way, and that will give you access to your lights. And this right here, this is the reverse light. So you'll take that, give it a turn to the left, and that will pop out, and you'll take your bulb out. Once you have that bulb out, you'll take one of your new LED bulbs and you will slide it in the housing. Once you have your bulb in, you can test it to be sure that it works. So we can go ahead and do that now by putting the car in reverse. You can just put the car in the run position without running, and it will still go in reverse, and you can test to see if the light works or not. Once we know the light works, and after we've heard all the dinging sounds of the whole car, we can go ahead and reinsert the bulb. So you take your bulb, put it back in position, and give it a turn to the right. It slightly clicks, but once that's in there, that's done. It's that easy. Once you have your bulb reinstalled, you can take your cover, and it has two tabs. It has two tabs that kind of stick out like that, and two that almost will click into place. And that was, if you remember, that was where you put your screwdriver. So these two tabs that kind of stick out more from the sides, those go right here in the back. So you'll take those, put them back in there, and just give it a push, and that side is done. And we will move on to the other side. So now we have moved onto the passenger side, and it's going to be the same procedure. You're going to find your little notch in that panel. You're going to take your screwdriver, pop this off, giving you access to your reverse light. Turn it to the left, drop the bulb on the floor. It's going in the trash anyway. That wasn't even in there very good. That's crazy. Once you have your bulb out, you'll take your new LED bulb from LASFIT. Pops right in there. Gonna feed that back through. And you will twist that to the right. And that bulb is now in. You will then take your cover once again, noting the two tabs that go on this side. Feed those in there. Give it a push. And now both sides are installed. Now that we have all of the bulbs installed, I will give you a comparison of what the old used to look like versus what the new ones look like. Thank you for watching, everybody. This was not a very hard install whatsoever. I am very surprised that the stock halogen bulb just kind of fell out of the housing when I took it out. But I made sure the new ones were secure and they are much, much brighter. This was a very quick, very simple, very easy install on this Toyota RAV4. It made quite a difference in the lighting of the reverse lights. So that'll give you a lot more clarity when you're backing up. If you are interested in this, I will have a discount code in the description and in the comments. So take advantage of that. And thank you for watching.